A leaky faucet, a waste of water, a waste of money. You could hire a plumber to come out and fix it for you for upwards of $100 an hour, or you could learn how to do it yourself by following these simple tips. Chances are you have all the tools you're going to need lying around the house already. There's only one thing that's truly vital to doing the job right. Pants that ride low enough to show off at least a couple of inches of butt crack. Let me show you. Pants that are too tight or high-waisted constrict movement and inhibit the display of butt crack. Skirts actually ride up when you bend over. Jeans that are at least one waist size too big for you are perfect. That's it. Now you look like a professional plumber. Now get under there and fix that leak.